Hi, well I haven't done one of these for a long time. Today I'm going to Edinburgh via York. So I'm here at Elsham Station to catch the 0949 to Cannon Street, not to Cannon Street, London Bridge, then the Northern Line to King's Cross, train to York, go to the football, come back for the football, then go on to Edinburgh. Actually I'm not going to Edinburgh, I'm going to Stirling. Oh, hope I've got the right ticket. So here comes the 0949 to Cannon Street, which I'll catch as far as London Bridge. I've arrived at King's Cross. It's 10:36. My train's advertised at 11 o'clock, but down there is platform 9 3/4, which is the Harry Potter themed brick wall. Okay, my train's arrived. It's the one on the right hand side. Nice sunny day. Got the Flying Scotsman on the left hand side, sorry. I'm the first person in my coach, seat 61. I've moved because it's sitting next to somebody else, so don't want that. There's a couple of diesels over there. So here's Flying Scotsman, and over here, this is my train, as I said earlier. Okay, so the time now is 12:40. 12:49. Train's arrived a couple of minutes late, and I'm here now at York. And here's the driver looking out of his cab. Quite a few people on the platform taking photos. I don't know if there's something special due shortly. I'll have to have a look on real-time trains. So here goes the train which I've just arrived on from King's Cross, on its way to Edinburgh. Stopped here for quite a while, I don't know if that was scheduled. Right, the train I was due to catch, the 1735, has been cancelled, terminated at Peterborough. So I'm now catching the 1752, which is just arriving now, and it's late. So I see a claim coming in. So hopefully Beverly's on this train. Anyway, not to worry. Got a good 3-2 victory up here in York, so that was good. There's Mrs. Benbow. Finally met up with her. Rather late at York. Edinburgh, it's at 9:10. So the train we were on ended up being almost an hour overdue. It's 10:26, we've arrived at Stirling now. Poor Beverly's not very happy with me because I'm stopping to film the train before it departs. So my epic journey that started this morning at 9:45 has finally come to an end, apart from the fact that I've got to get to the bed and breakfast, which is a short taxi by the way. Bye bye train.